Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're diving into the world of interior design and exploring 8 trends that are not only fabulous right now but are also destined to stand the test of time. Whether you're giving your home a makeover or just love staying on top of the latest styles, you won't want to miss this. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future design guides. Trend 1. Alright, let's kick things off with trend number 1: timeless minimalism. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a focus on essential elements ensure a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic that stands the test of time. Emphasize quality over quantity, with each piece carefully chosen for its functionality and visual appeal. Trend 2. Now on to trend number 2: indoor-outdoor living. Blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces creates a seamless flow and enhances the sense of connection to nature. Incorporating features such as large windows, sliding glass doors, and outdoor living areas extends living spaces, allowing for increased enjoyment of natural light and fresh air. Trend 3. Moving right along to trend number 3: timeless neutrals. Neutral tones are the unsung heroes of interior design. From calming whites to warm beiges, these timeless colors provide a blank canvas for any style. They are easy on the eyes and create a versatile backdrop, ensuring your space remains effortlessly elegant for years to come. Trend 4. Now let's talk about trend number 4: geometric patterns. Incorporating geometric patterns in textiles, wallpaper, or tile adds visual interest and a modern edge to interiors, creating a dynamic and contemporary look. Trend 5. Heading into trend number 5: mixing old with new. Combining vintage or antique pieces with contemporary furnishings and accessories adds depth, character, and visual interest to interiors. This eclectic approach creates a sense of history and personality, infusing spaces with charm and individuality. Trend 6. Now, let's explore trend number 6: tech-infused retreats. As technology becomes an integral part of our lives, integrating it seamlessly into our homes is a must. Smart home devices, automated lighting, and intuitive gadgets can transform your space into a futuristic oasis. Embrace the tech revolution while maintaining a stylish and comfortable atmosphere. Trend 7. Moving on to trend number 7: artisanal accents. Handcrafted, unique pieces are making a comeback in a big way. Whether it's a bespoke coffee table or handwoven textiles, these artisanal accents add a touch of individuality to your space. Support local artisans and infuse your home with one-of-a-kind charm. Trend 8. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about trend number 8: maximalism. Hello to bold, vibrant spaces. Maximalism is all about embracing color, patterns, and textures in abundance. It's a trend that lets you showcase your personality and create a visually stunning environment that's as unique as you are. There you have it: 8 interior design trends that are not only current but promise to remain timeless. Remember, the key is to find a balance that reflects your personal style while incorporating elements that stand the test of time. Which trend are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy decorating!